Hello and very warm welcome. So my name is Sebastian and we want to talk about EBS volumes. In this short video, EBS volumes are connected to your instances. So to demonstrate this and that you have also a little bit of a clue how we use EBS volumes and how we can change them. So we first will launch an instance. This dashboard here you will reach when you type in here in the search bar EC2, then you come here. So we will launch our instance. My instance is the name EBS, for example. We make an Amazon Linux. So the AMI instance type, we choose here again the free tier eligible item. I think we can select here we will create a new pair. Just for this case, let us give it a name, my key EBS. So we create the pair. If we want to connect later to this again, VPC is already set as it is the default group or the default VPC. And here you see already, here's this root volume already configured. This has 8 gigabytes, so we launch our instance. This will shortly take a moment. So we are here at 33%, 80%, and there is our instance. Okay, let's go to the instance itself. And like I said, EBS volumes are storages connected to the instance. So we will now check for it. So we click here into our instance, and when we go here to storage, we have here one attached volume. Okay. And when we want to do now or go into our details, or we click here into this volume, there we go. Now we found it, so we have to click in this volume. We can create here an EBS volume. So for instance, this is 100 gigabytes. Just easy, it's in the same availability zone. We give it again a tag, so EBS and US East 1, create volume, and there we go, off we go, 100 gigabytes added to this instance, and it is available. So this means our instance can now have storage capacity up to 100 gigabytes. So for usually it's 8 gigabytes, but you can add as much as possible EBS volume if necessary. That's actually it. So it's a storage connected to your instance. If you want to or if you want to delete the volume, so you can first detach or attach this, or if you have more, and play with it a little bit. But usually we now just say, okay, we don't want to have this anymore. We go back to our instance, and that we are also clean up our instance. We will go here to instance state and completely delete it. Yes, we are sure. And there must be already now still a little bit loading, shutting down, and after a few seconds the EC2 instance and the EBS volume is deleted. Let's wait a moment more. One more time. It's every time better to close also the services if we don't need it. It's still shutting down. Okay, then we still have to wait a little bit, but I will think when I will here Just wait a little bit longer. It will be terminated. Okay, that's it. I hope it was helpful, that you see also the example of EBS volume, which is also in the Cloud Practitioner exams. Also a little bit of a hands-on, that you see where you can edit, put additional EBS volumes to the instance or delete them. And now it came here, terminated. So our instance also for demonstrations is now also gone. I hope you learned something, and I wish you a nice day. Bye bye.